Okay, so we're going to do putting the products into our PayPal. So all the products are saved under the product info Google Sheet under the first tab that says product list. You'll see the product name along with the product's retail. To input it over into PayPal, you'll click right into PayPal with the login information. Scroll down to where it says create an invoice. You'll click on that. It's going to take a second to load. And then where it says name, you're going to click the little box that says item name and add new item. When you click add new item, you will input what it says over from the product list. So the first one here says fifth base and it retails for $59. So I'll take that information and type it right in here. And it's 59. And the tax is always going to be set. So you'll click on 7% and then push save item. And it will add it into the list. And then to add the next item, you'll continue down and hit add new item and toggle back and forth between your product list and the add new item until it's all done. And then once you're done, you can scroll all the way up to the top and you can close out of your tab.